Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 6th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So on the Euro Yen, well, actually all the yen pairs, we had big gaps in the market over the weekend. Now, I've been saying for a while that it looks like it needs to go down and make a wave C, which I still think is possible. I mean, it still looks to me like a WXY pattern, but the problem with this analysis, which I've been saying every day last week, is that the weekly and the daily have never broken down in any way. They are definitely still in an uptrend. When those very high time frames are in an uptrend and the shorter time frames you start coming up with a counter trend analysis, this is often what happens is it just keeps on going up. The higher time frames are definitely going to counteract anything you see on the shorter time frames. Now, going down to the 1 hour time frame, if we do get some sort of a break, some sort of a break of structure to the downside like that, then I definitely would become bearish again, and maybe that would prove to us that the way B is over. But like I said, we need to be careful with the bearish analysis because the very high time frames are definitely in an uptrend, and there's no reason to say that the trend is over on the higher time frames, and it could just keep on going up. So I would be a little bit cautious with any bearish analysis on the shorter time frames, at least until the higher time frames give us more reason to believe that there really is a turn to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.